Something that's been going on in the truck lately is that the batteries have been draining when the truck has not been driven for a few days. And the other day we got to the truck and the batteries were absolutely flat. We couldn't even jump start them until we charged the batteries for a few hours. But so what I've done is I got a 50 watt solar panel and a little controller, and I'm going to put a solar panel on the hood of my truck. I know it's overkill, or you know, they had other ones, especially for trickle charging cars. They were not as good quality, and they were just they sucked. So I just got a regular solar panel. So I got this little charge controller. It came with my camper originally, and I removed this one off my camper, and this is the newer one that we have. So this one is a spare. So I'm going to use this one with the 50 watt panel on the hood of the car. This one's going to go under the hood somewhere. I got some extension cable here, which I'm going to use to run to the battery, but I'm going to put it just under the hood. I'm going to close the hood and see how the seal of the hood works with the cables.